Are you interested in starting this new year by creating the life you desire, by gaining financial freedom? Do you know that there is a law that governs everything on earth? From atom to economic to spiritual dimensions? Well, know that the closest true test to philosophical laws is time. The book, The Richest Man in Babylon, was written by George S. Clason in 1926. This means that it has stood the test of time for over 97 years since its publication. The laws of investment or wealth creation that the book describes are over 8,000 years old from the people in the ancient city of Babylon. People who have diligently applied them confirmed that they got their desired outcome. So can we say that the laws have passed the test of time? A big yes. This video will describe the 7 laws of wealth creation and several character traits that enable people to apply the 7 laws. I will also discuss the real-time applications of the 7 laws. Principle 1. Start thy purse to fattening. This is translated to increasing the money in your savings account by keeping 1/10 of your income. Ensure you remove this amount first before allocating the remaining money to expenditure. The real-time application will be to have a savings account that you can't withdraw money from, but only once a year to be used for investment. Or just have 2 accounts. One for receiving income and expenditure and the other for saving to invest later. Or open an account with an investment bank. Or open a dollar account in a country where currency is constantly being devalued. Principle 2. Control thy expenditure. This translates to making a monthly budget of your expenditure using 9/10 or 7/10 of your income. The real-time application of this law is that all possible expenditures should be budgeted for using only the money in the allotted expenditure account. This means that every month you will write down all that you need money for: rent, food, transportation, utility bills, personal enjoyment, medical bills, and apportion money for each. For instance, if by the end of the month your income is $1,500, this means that $150 is to be moved to a savings account for investment. The remaining $1,350 should be used for expenditure. So following the list above: rent for $500, food $300, transportation $200, utility bills $100, personal enjoyment $100, medical bills $200, total $1,350. This ensures that no necessary aspects of life are neglected so that one doesn't give up on the laws and go back to their old ways of life. Principle 3. Make thy gold multiply. This means that after accumulating money in the investment saving account, invest the money and keep reinvesting, both principal and profit, each time the investment is due, or choose to roll over principal and dividend. Do this every year. Using the income above, if Mr. A was saving $150 every month, in a year the total sum would be $1,800. He invested the $1,800. By the end of a year, he would get back his principal investment money, which was $1,800, with a profit of $180 if the interest rate was 10% profit. He should reinvest all the money, which will be $1,980 plus $1,800 from the second year of savings for investment. End of the third year, Mr. A will have $4,158 to reinvest. And if he continues in the next 5 years, he will have $15,179, which can be used for bigger investments like buying of house or purchase of gold or purchase of stock. Principle 4. Guard thy treasure from loss. This translates to before putting your investment savings into an investment, ensure that the investment will yield a good return. You can train yourself to discern bad investments from good investments by reading books, news, and journals on investment, attending seminars and workshops on investment. Ask for advice from people who are very successful with investments, or get a mentor to guide you and prevent costly mistakes. Seeking guidance from investment accountants or banks. Download investment apps and study trends for a long period like years and months. Principle 5. Make thy dwelling a profitable investment. This means that after saving for investment for a while, you should invest in a house or mortgage or real estate, where you and your family will reside to feel mentally secure in your dwelling. This can be achieved via a mortgage plan, one-time payments, or via apportioning a percentage of your investment income. After your house has been secured, pay yourself rent every month to ensure that it is an investment, and the rent paid should be moved to the investment savings account after removing a portion for house maintenance. Principles 6. Ensure a future income. This is translated into having security that you and or your loved ones can fall back on in case tragedy occurs. This can be ensured through life insurance, having a very secure investment like real estate, gold, etc. Also, ensure the continuous circle of save, then investing and RAI. Investing both profit and principal money for a long period like 15 to 40 years so that a compound effect can take place, and ensure that the future profit is enough to take care of your family's daily needs. Principle 7. Increase thy ability to earn. This is translated to ensure continuous personal development in terms of your craft, business, skills, work, and employment. Doing this will keep you abreast with current advancements in our craft, business, skills, etc. One should also attend seminars, workshops, educational courses, mentorship, training, and reading of books and journals as they pertain to one's craft, business, skills, etc. Below are some character traits that aid people in practicing the 7 principles of wealth creation and turning it into a lifetime habit. 1. Have moments to ponder on past goals and plans and future goals and plans. This means that you should evaluate your achievements from time to time to see if you are moving in a positive direction. This can be done every 3, 4, or 6 months. 2. Seek counsel and guidance in any areas that you are confused or from your evaluation, you can see the need for improvement. It could be time management, skill upgrading, investment, how to save more money, how to make more money, to start and run a business smoothly, how to set goals and achieve them. The advice should come from people who are already living the life you desire or have become successful in the area you want to improve. 3. Memorize the 7 principles and recite them as your daily affirmation so that it can become second nature to you. 4. Have the determination to put in the work needed to succeed, because plans and goals without work will lead one to poverty, disappointment, and no progression. 5. Develop skills to identify good investments through study, mentorship, and training. Then take action to beat procrastination. 6. Keep in mind that one-time success is the beginning of abject poverty. But whoever believes that success is a journey and not a destination will have lifelong fulfillment. Personal lessons from the book. 1. Not keeping 1/10 of my income for investment is an ingredient for failure. Most times I save up money to spend on a wedding, a vacation, an expensive personal treat, an expensive gadget, etc. Hence my mindset has shifted that savings for investment are not for spending. Neither are the profits from investments for spending. And even down to the 20th minus 50th generation of investment profits. Secondly, where the book described the formula for paying a debt, which is setting aside 1/10 for investments, 2/10 for debt payment, and 7/10 of income for expenditure. We can convert that 2/10 of income into an emergency if we are not servicing any debt, especially at the early stage of our investment journey. This will ensure that our savings for investments are not spent on emergencies. Finally, I see that the rule of 1/10 of income is not static because some people earn way more than they can spend, so the ratio can be factored in such a way that more ratios are put under investment savings while adequate money is left for spending and emergency. If you enjoyed this type of discussion, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any new upload. Please feel free to drop in the comment section your take home or lessons learned if you have read the book and you can come back to. Drop your comment if this video motivated you to read or finish reading the book The Richest Man in Babylon. See you next Sunday. Have a productive week. Bye.